Do you like these? Or these? Well, now you can be like them.
Hi, I'm Bob Imnotjohnsmith. Did you ever think Homo sapiens is the wrong species for you? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to be like other animals. Okay, first I'm going to show you how to be a dog. Dogs are easy. All you have to do is stand on all fours. Put everything you see in your mouth. Eat meat all the time. Drool. And pounce on everything you see. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to be a cat. Cats are even easier. All you have to do is stand on all fours. Already doing that? Get away from humans as much as possible. And the best part, lie around doing nothing for the most of the day. Next I'll show you how to be a turtle. You have to stand on all fours.
How many times do you have to keep telling me that?
Put a shell on your back. And walk really slowly. Next I'll show you how to be a rabbit. You have to stand on all fours.
Yes, I know.
And hop around wherever you go. Lastly, I'll show you how to be a bird. You can stand on two legs.
Thank you. Jeez. Standing on four legs like that would give me cramps.
Stand on the top of stuff.